Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make hydraulic landing gear. First, let's dive into the fundamental principles that govern these systems. We'll cover the essential components you'll need, from the hydraulic cylinders that extend and retract the gear to the miniature pumps and reservoirs that power the movement. Designing a reliable system is crucial, so we'll discuss how to ensure it's both strong and functional for your aircraft. Get ready to build something amazing. Now let's talk about the heart of your hydraulic landing gear, the components and materials. You'll need to select miniature hydraulic cylinders, typically with a bore of around 5 to 10 millimeters, depending on your model's size. A compact hydraulic pump, capable of generating sufficient pressure, and a small fluid reservoir are also vital. Don't forget high-pressure tubing and fittings to connect everything securely. For the gear structure itself, lightweight yet strong materials like aluminum or carbon fiber are excellent choices. With your components ready, it's time for assembly and system integration. Securely mount your hydraulic cylinders to the landing gear struts, ensuring proper alignment and smooth operation. Next, connect the pump, reservoir, and cylinders using your high-pressure tubing. It's absolutely critical to ensure all connections are perfectly sealed to prevent any fluid leaks, which could compromise performance. Finally, integrate the hydraulic system with your aircraft's control mechanism, often a servo-actuated valve, for precise operation. Our final step is rigorous testing and refinement. Begin by conducting thorough pressure tests to check for any leaks and confirm the overall integrity of your hydraulic system. Then, cycle the landing gear multiple times, perhaps 20 to 30 cycles, to verify smooth and consistent extension and retraction. Adjust fluid levels and pressure settings as needed to achieve optimal performance. Finally, perform load tests, ensuring the gear can reliably support the full weight of your aircraft, providing peace of mind for every flight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.